right? Inside moves, doors open and close. Man, this makes my hand look so giant. Haven't glued anything together either. But yeah, that door also opens. I'll have to show y'all that later. Good Lord. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks a little short. I don't know. Let's see. Her over here. Yeah, it looks like, it looks mad short. So I can make it bigger, or I can just put like a base on it. Let's see. Something like about, see, look, this just fell off. It's not glued on. But something like this, like to make it taller. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Or should I just make it bigger? I mean, should I just make it bigger? Or does that seem... I mean, that seems like a small apartment size washer and dryer, and this is like a whole house. I don't know. What y'all think? Should I make it bigger, or should I put it on like a little base and call it a day? Let me know. Thanks. Bye.